Oh wow, so you can't lock random spawn vehicles, you can only lock bot ones? That's dope. They're going like
Rotate
Epoch
left,
style.
rotate right. You could move it and shit if it gets stuck, I think.
Oh, that's
Oh.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
oh,
because
you
you
see?
can't
Oh
go in
no,
reverse.
that's dope as fuck.
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro. Because you can't go in
Nice.
reverse. That is
I
sick.
mean, that's not hard. It shouldn't be hard, this fucking script.
Nah.
Sweet, dude. Alright, Kringo, test it out. Should I roll? Should I drop all my goods? Not fucking.
How many spots
let's
are
roll,
there?
bro. Kringo's the man, son.
This is badass.
Isn't it that way? Oh, man. Oh, God.
The four-seater too, dude.
Oh, I'm recording this. Oh, dude, Kringo knows how to fly, bro. You see this? The way he taxied that shit? Fuck out of here.
As long as he can get up speed.
Yeah, we're about to live well, huh? Uh-oh. What's going on?
You want to slow down.
Oh, were we running away? Are you letting off the gas, or why is it doing that?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
You can't go up too fast, right?
Yeah. He'll stall if he goes up too fast.
Now the question is, when you eject, do you have parachute?
No, you gotta buy one. They sell steerable parachutes
Oh,
at the
shit.
place with the UAVs. The
Oh,
spec
yep.
ops.
I'm buying that. Alright. Oh, does it replace your backpack, though?
Yeah.
Oh. That kind of blows, but...
So, but you could buy it on a YOLO mission still.
Yeah, like just a mission like this where we're flying around and finding helis, like I can jump out and go get it.
Yeah.
There's a pickup truck. Need to find a heli.
Well, we will now. Well, I bet go to the peninsula, dude.
The peninsula?
South of Neochori.
I bet, yeah.
Well, yeah, I guess you could be there too, yeah.
Where?
I was thinking the peninsula, you should check that first. I think we're closer to that.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. Yeah, loop around and go to that peninsula down there south of Neo. Dude, this is dope in first person too, holy shit. I'm recording this shit. Fuck it. I thought maybe we might crash, so I started recording right when we started taking off.
I like how the chat box.
Oh shit, I'm dying.
Everything.
Oh fuck.
What?
I need a drink.
Do you have stuff?
Can you do it while you're...
No, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, we're all dead?
Oh,
You gotta
my
be
God.
fucking
I'm
kidding.
ejected into the water. I might live.
Dude, it gave no indication
Nope.
until last minute. That's bullshit.
And
Yeah,
I
it
just
doesn't
stopped.
pop up.
And I just stopped
It needs
recording.
to
It
start
shows in the
doing
top
it
right
before.
screen, doesn't it?
Dude,
I didn't
I
see
just fucked
anything.
up
My
so hard.
screen just started going like dark, and
That's all
fucking
right.
10 seconds later, I'm dead.
yeah, because you were fucking thirsty or something,
Yeah.
It's
I
not
don't
like you
thirst.
yeah.
lost that.
Dude, as soon as I cut it off, I was in first person too. I was recording that whole time, and I cut it off. And I was like, all right, we're good now. So I cut it off. And as soon as I did, and I was in first person, Kringo in the front seat, and the pilot seat just fucking passes out. Like, and I didn't get it. I didn't get it because I just stopped recording. Fucking